Gus Schmidt, back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading OTC currency pairs on the platform. And I'm going to be using two indicators here. Okay, so if we click on the indicator icon on the platform, the first indicator I'll be using is the momentum indicator. So you click on that once, and the second indicator is the RSI, or the relative strength index indicator. Okay, so we have here on the chart, and so in my RSI setting, when I click on the pencil icon, I have my period set to 7. And in the style settings, I've unclicked the 70 and the 30 line. We just want the 50 line. So we're going to disable the 70 and the 30 line. And I increased the 50 line to 3 pixels here. Okay. So for our momentum indicator here, when I click on that indicator setting icon, I've also set the period to 7, and in my style settings, uh, in on the main line, the histogram is the default setting, but I've set it to line. So we have a smooth line here. Uh, I've up I've increased the pixels to 3, and I've moved the opacity over to the right a little bit here. Um, So we save those settings. Okay, now for my candlestick chart here, I have the candle set to 1 minute regular Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I've also set the period to 1 minute. So I'll be taking fast 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on the USD RUB OTC pair, and I just took a sell trade. And the reason why I took the sell trade is the RSI is going below the 50 line here, which is this vertical line. And also the momentum indicator is showing a downward sloping line here, which suggests that there's a bearish trend to the downside in the momentum here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the USD Japanese yen OTC pair, and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is you see here the RSI line, the green RSI line, just crossed over the 50 line in a positive direction here, in a upward sloping direction. In addition to that, the momentum indicator here is also showing a strong upward sloping movement. So I went ahead and took the 60-second trade here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Both of these indicators, as you see here, are sloping in the same direction. So we have these confirmations that have been met. And as you can tell here, the price is pushing upward here. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the KES USD OTC pair, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade here is you see the RSI indicator just crossed below the 50 line on the indicator here. And in addition to that, the momentum indicator is showing us a negative slope on the line here, which suggests a strong downward movement in the momentum. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, great. So we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Euro Great British Pound currency pair, and I just took a sell trade here. I noticed a strong bearish movement in the candles here over the last 5 minutes or so. In addition to that, the RSI line is showing a down, crosses below the 50 line here, and the momentum indicator is showing a strong slope to the downside, a negative slope here in the indicator. And so I went ahead and took a sell trade. And as you can see here, the price is pushing indeed downward here. So we wait for both confirmations. We wait for the RSI to cross below the 50 line here in a negative sloping direction here, as you noticed. In addition to that, the momentum indicator as well. Okay, so we won that trade. So I'm going to close out the session here. We had a pretty good session, and it seems like this strategy is pretty powerful. And I'll continue to use this strategy in future videos. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video, comment on the video if you have any questions about the strategy. And I also have a link to the platform in the video comments if you're interested in trading this strategy. There's, yeah, a link to the platform in the video comments and in the channel description. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt, and I'll see you in the next video.